Let's talk about a few options you have regarding rescheduling an appointment. The best way to do this probably is just double click on the appointment. You could just pick a different day, a different time, and save it, and it will move accordingly. However, we have observed other clients using the system, and one idea that I thought very interesting was that they simply came here and said rescheduled. In the view up here, they chose to not show rescheduled appointment, and then they would create a new appointment on a different day. When I asked them the reason they were doing this way, it's because on the patient file and in the customer file, they would see how many times appointments have been rescheduled and assigned to a different date. At the end of the day, for WISE option, it does not make a difference. So you could simply from here, instead of scheduled, maintain the appointment status as scheduled only. And like I said, double click, change the date, change the time, save, and the appointment will be transferred to that particular slot accordingly. So today you've learned how to reschedule appointments in WISE option.